Very good morning, my dear friends. Today we will discuss about the second part of module 1, that is the linear programming problem. It is shortly called as LPP. Okay, so before solving this type of problem, we will understand what you mean by LPP, that is linear programming problems. So it is a optimization technique, that is it is a systematic techniques to find the optimal value of a objective function, that is to find the optimal value, that may be either maximum or minimum. Okay, so linear means all the mathematical functions are required to be in linear manner. Okay, while solving the problem you will understand what is a linear, what you mean by optimization technique. Okay, so programming is nothing but it refers to a planning, not for computer engineering department program. Okay, it is a planning how to solve the program, that is about the programming in LPP. Okay, so next one is how to solve this type of problem means by with the help of graphical method we are going to solve these linear programming problems. So don't confuse, formulation of LPP is different and linear programming problem is different. So it is a LPP method used to solve the two variables problem of a LPP, to find the two values and plot the in a graph and find the maximize point or minimum point. That's it, that is about the graphical method. Okay, to solve those type of problems, that is the graph LPP problem, we have some set of steps. Okay, first is to formulate the given problem. Just to understand the problem, read carefully twice or thrice. So what are the main objective constraint given in the question, you note down that. And second one is from the graph you have to plot the x-axis values along x-axis and the y values you should draw the y, that is from the graph you have to fix such a that you have to see the scale, what is the value is given, what is the maximum value along y axis, x axis. According to that you have to convert the units and note down the side and draw the values along x and y axis. Okay, and plot the constraint also. So from the given question you write the constraint and draw the graph. Okay, plot the graph and outline the area of solution, and where the common solution is just to make a highlight. Okay, find the points by circle. Just common area you make it one a circle or join the circle. Okay, then just you highlight that one. From that point you find out the maximum or minimum point, that is optimization solution. Okay, okay, we will solve the problem. So this is very important. This question may ask you direct 12 mark question. Okay, so first the given question like this: solve the following linear programming problem by graphical method. 10 mark question. So for solving this type of problem you need a graph. Okay, you have to you have to solve this problem on graph, you have to draw on graph sheet. Okay, so the given maximum z maximum is equal to 3x1 plus 4x2 subject to a constant of x1 plus x2 less than equal to 450, and 2x1 plus x2 is equal to less than equal to 600, and within a constant of x is greater than 0, x2 is greater than equal to 0. So this is the question they given. You have to find the maximum point with graphical point. Okay, so solution, first step is write the given question as it is and make it less than equal to, make it equal to, give equation number 1 and 2, that is x1 plus x2 is equal to 450 and 2x1 plus x2 is equal to 600. This is the steps. Okay, this is a procedure for solving the problem. Just remember how I'm going to explain. So first step is write the given question as it is, make it equal. They may give less than or greater than, but we have to make it equal. Okay, give equation number 1 2 3 4, how many equation they are given, that equation. Okay, next second step is you have to find out the values of x1 and x2. Just to substitute x1 is equal to 0 and calculate the value of x2, and next after calculating x2 just put x2 is equal to 0, calculate the value of x1. So from the equation number 1, if you put a x1 is equal to 0, x2 value is 450. Suppose x2 is equal to 0, x1 is also 450. So I wrote here when x1 is equal to 0, from the equation you will get x2 is equal to 450. The coordinates are 0 and 450. Similarly, put when x2 is equal to 0, calculate the x1. The coordinates are 450 and 0. Okay, similarly find the constraint from the second equation, that is put x1 is equal to 0, you will get the x2 is equal to 600. See here second equation, just you put x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 600, but x2 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to, it goes like this side and it will divide by 600 by 2 means you will get 300. Okay, so when x1 is equal to 0, x2 is equal to 600, and when x2 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to 300, you will get the coordinate 300 and 0. Okay, so I will repeat the second step. First step is write as it is, give equation number 1 and 2, make it equal, put calculate the x1 and x2 value by substituting or by putting the value x is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 0. You will get this answer, that is the coordinates are 0 comma 450, from 450 comma 0 from first equation. From second equation coordinates are 0 and 600, and the second answer is 300 and comma 0. Okay, now for these two coordinates you plot on a graph sheet. Okay, so from the first, see here maximum point is from the both the equation, from this 450 is there, 600 is there, you can draw 2 unit is equal to 1 unit along x axis, 0 100 200 300, 400, 500. Along y-axis 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Okay na? So this is very very important. 2 unit is equal to 100. Okay. So for the first coordinate 0 comma 400, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 450. Just x is equal to 0, y is equal to 450, that is point C. Okay. Similarly, second point, x is equal to 450 and 0. So 450 is here I shown the after 4 in between these two, 400, 500, that is 450, 0. Okay, now this is first line, and to join the two lines, okay, C to this point, that is give equation number 1, that is x1 plus x2 is equal to 450, that is for first equation. And second equation constant are 0 comma 600 and 300 comma 0. Here x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 600, make a point here, and here 300, join these two line. Okay, that's it. So only two equations are given to. So how to mark the next step is, see here the given in the question symbol is less than, means this side means less than, means you draw the dotted line towards 0. Okay, downwards. So here both the equation lines you draw the downwards, just to scratch I shown here dark line, dark pen, so just to draw that line, both the line dark line. Okay, so how to how to make this common area. So after drawing the lines downward from the both the equation where two equation lines are common, just to make a dark circle, that is O A B C are the rectangular, that is these are the lines, they are these two, these area having merging these both the equations lines. Okay, even if you take these lines are coincide with each other. Okay, that is the surface is common surface for the both the equations, both the lines are merging in this area only. For example, if you take this top, this not merging with area 1, that is equation 1 line, so you erase this and this, so only the OABC is the common area that is merging of, that is the mixed of the both the lines. Okay, you take that one. Okay, next after marking or after finding the this feasible region area, then that is called as a feasible region. OABC is called as a feasible region. Feasible region is nothing but the line should mix with the all the equations. So here given only two equations, so equation 1 lines also merging, second equation also joining at that particular area, that is called as a feasible region, OABC. Next, find the given maximum coordinates are given here. We got four equation, and maximum is equal to 3x1 plus 4x2. This is a question given in the question. Okay, when x is equal to 0 comma 0, you will get 0. When a is equal to 300 and a is equal to 300 comma 0, substitute this x and y value in that maximum equation, you will get 900. Similarly, at point b is 150 and this is 300. Okay, 150, 300, substitute these two value in that maximum equation, you will get 1650 rupees, 650, sorry. Next, c point is equal to 0 comma 450, and this put substitute value in z maximum equation, you will get 1800. For the maximum point solution is, among these four equation, what is the maximum value, that is our your answer. Okay, now they are asking maximum. Okay, so maximum is z occurs, zc is equal to the value is 1800 with the coordinates are x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 450. At this coordinates 0 comma 450, you will get a maximum answer, that is where the value is maximum, that is your answer. Okay, now zc is equal to 1800. So this is your answer. Okay, now this is about the LPP program. Okay, now I hope you understand this problem for the LPP. This is very simple problem. Okay, thank you.